Hello my sugar stars, today I will be showing you how to make a soft, moist and flavorful red velvet cake from scratch. This recipe is simple, beginner friendly and perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 250 grams of margarine or butter, 300 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of red food color powder, half teaspoon red color gel, 2 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 large eggs, 2½ cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1/8 cup of hot water. This recipe actually calls for 1 cup of buttermilk, and we are going to be using this milk to make the buttermilk. Let me quickly show you how I make my buttermilk. It's so easy. Just take 1 tablespoon of milk out of the 1 cup of milk you have, and then replace it back with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So stir it together, and you will notice that as you stir, it begins to curdle. So after that, set it aside. Now take your butter or margarine and mix it until it's well creamy. You can use your hand mixer or anything that you are comfortable with. Add in the sugar and mix thoroughly. So because I want my sugar and my butter to be well combined, I will just be eating this on a stove for some minutes. If you are using microwave, you can use microwave, but just microwave it for like 30 to 40 seconds. So I'll be eating these on the stove just for some minutes. We are not melting it, but I just want it to be a little bit softer so that the butter and the sugar will be well combined. So this is the texture that we need. We are not melting, just make it soft. So I'll be transferring this into a larger bowl for easy mixing. Add in 2 large eggs and mix it until it is well combined. Add in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and half teaspoon of the food color gel. One teaspoon red food color powder, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix this together until it is well combined. Set this aside and mix the dry ingredients together. Make sure that your flour is well sieved. Add in your cocoa powder, the salt, the baking soda, and mix this together until it is well combined. And I will be alternating these dry ingredients and the buttermilk into the mixture. So I'll be putting part of the buttermilk and part of the flour into the mixture and mix. So this is what I will do until I exhaust all the dry ingredients and the buttermilk. Gently fold in the flour and avoid over mixing. If you are watching my video for the first time, I want to say you're welcome to this great family Mojikelicious treat. Please do well to join this great family by subscribing, like, comment and share this video. Turn on your notification bell so that you can see more of my videos whenever I upload them. Thank you. I will also be leaving the ingredients into my description box, so you can also check it out. All right. Now it's time to add in our coffee. Just take 1/8 cup of hot water and pour it into the coffee and mix it together. So when it is well mixed, then add into the red velvet mixture. Mix together until it is well combined. My sugar stars, this is really a game changer. This coffee take this red velvet cake to another level. It add more flavor to this red velvet. Just try this recipe and you will never regret it. You will thank me later. At this stage, prep your pan. You can check out my vanilla cake videos. I showed a detailed video on how I prep my pan before baking. You can check that out. So I'll be transferring the mixture into my pans. I'm using 2 pans, so I'm measuring it so that I can have equal batter, so that one will not be baked faster than the other. So I want it to be equal, so and that's why I'm using the scale. You can see that. And after that, I tapped it on the table so that any hair bubbles can be out of the batter. So, and I'll be baking this in a low heat. So, and I'm about to show you now how I baked my cake to be well moist. So what I do is that I put some water in my baking pan and I place it under, I place it on the first rack of my oven, then and I put in my cakes. So this also helps my cake to be well moist. I don't get a dry cake, I end up getting a moist cake. Okay, after 45 to 50 minutes, I'm checking if the cakes are done, and boom, the cakes are done. The skewer came out clean. And so I use knife to scrape the edges of the cake so that the cake can come out easily. Can you see that? How beautiful, how moist it is. Look at that, guys. Look at this. This is so yummy. It's so nice. Everyone who ate the cake, who I have baked it for, they really liked it. It's so yummy, so sweet. It's okay, it's good for any occasion. So guys, if you have watched to this extent, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you are going to try this recipe. Try it and let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask me, let me know and I'll answer you. Bye for now. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.